First of all, I would like to welcome everyone in my channel who watching this video. First of all, I would like to thank the government of Meghalaya as a concerned and grateful citizens of Meghalaya, particularly from East Kashmir district, but living in northern part of India for higher studies. It has put us living outside the state in safe sites, as many social media has been misleading to the people. I would like to extend to the people my heartfelt thanks to the government of Meghalaya Police Department for their swift and commendable action in solving the tragic case of late Raja Raghuvanshi. This is truly ensuring to know that justice has been passed with dedication, especially given the shock revelations that the crime was masterminded by his own wife. The effort has put forth by the Chief Minister, the State Police and all officials involved deserve the highest appreciation from across India. I also want to thank the local people and help provide vital information that supported the investigation. Your operation has shown how powerful community action can be ensured justice and safely. A special thanks also goes to the Police Department of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh for supporting this complex investigation. The joint efforts, the strength of unity and commitments in the law enforcement. Thank you all once again for tired works and keeps our community safe. So I would like to suggest everyone, people across the state, to suggest to please go and visit Meghalaya as a place, and I would like to request people, many people who have speak bad against the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, blaming the people, the local peoples, should appreciate and go and visit the Meghalaya to explore the beauty of Meghalaya. So apologizing is not enough, but instantly you should visit the place of Meghalaya, the beauty of Meghalaya as Scotland of the East. So I would like to thank the many who has been helping the police department of Meghalaya to solve this problem. So only these things. So thank you everyone, stay safe and God bless you. Thank you.